Ever had that nagging feeling that something is just not right? Or maybe you're having so many symptoms shouting at you that you know something isn't right. But did you know that whether it's just the nagging feeling or shouting symptoms, that often the problem begins in the gut? I'm Susan Gleaton, a root cause dietitian, and when people come to me, I'm going to look for what caused this problem to happen in the first place. And sometimes we have to go back and back and back to figure it out. But when someone has symptoms just shouting at them, one of the favorite tools that I will use is food sensitivity testing with the MRT food sensitivity test. And the reason I do that is because I know I can get the symptoms down very, very quickly while we're looking for that root cause or trying to fix it. So I developed my own system of using the MRT test to get people better very, very quickly. And that system is pinpointing the problem foods, of which the MRT test is of primary importance. And then we quench inflammation. And so that is only eating the foods that aren't causing problems for you. And then the third step is restoring gut health with gut healing supplements and with foods. So I used to not put so much emphasis on that third step, the restoring gut health with gut healing supplements, until I had people telling me, I really wish I had paid more attention to those gut healing supplements you told me to use, because I feel like my symptoms are coming back or something is happening, and they really feel like they should have done a better job of gut healing. So now I'm pretty emphatic on the gut healing supplements, which we'll do at first in supplemental form before we move on to using food to help heal your gut. Well, we're kind of doing that in the whole process because we're reducing inflammation by not eating foods that are causing inflammation, but more specific foods that are gut healing. So what I wanted to do was just kind of give you a inside on my program by describing to you my favorite gut healing supplements. So these have been, learned over the course of several years as I've used different supplements, because there are a lot out there. But kind of got it niched down a little bit, I guess you'd say, and found my favorites. They're not the same for everyone because everyone is unique, and some people may need just this little tweak or that little tweak, but I do have some favorites that I will use with almost everyone. So it may take a few videos, but I just wanted to go over them with you. And in my next video, I'm going to go over like the foundational ones, and then we'll get on to more specific ones on the gut healing. So stay tuned, and I'll have that first video out very, very soon.